Ah. Oh, yo, shit! I'm still in my clown outfit. There you go. Sorry, it's because of my job. It's because of my real job. What the fuck? Gay? What the fuck? You guys are gay. You guys are gay. You guys are all gay. You guys are all gay.
You look delicious.
I'm not gay. I'm not gay.
55. So come on, Steve.
I didn't think this through. I'm sitting next to two gay people. I didn't think this through. Okay, guys, go. Boss, where are we going? Boss, where are we going? Where are we going? Oh, okay.
That's okay.
No, he's out. Dip him.
Forget him.
Forget him. Dip him. It's his fault that he jumped out. It's his fault.
I'm supporting Hitler.
Supporting Burglar.
Yes.
I'm supporting Crawler.
So, where the fuck are we going? Where are we going? Oh, hi.
Where are we going?
Where are you?
I'm in the ground.
He's in the ground. He's in the ground. Flippy's in the ground. Agent Flippy's in the ground.
Don't worry, I packed those sandwiches.
Really? Oh, damn.
Wait, what?
That's nice. He packed the sandwiches.
Give me one. I'm hungry.
Boss, where are we going again? Where are we going again, boss? Oh, hi, Agent Flippy. Where are we going? Where are we going, boss?
You don't sit next to me.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he doesn't sit next to me.
Yeah. Why? Stop falling! Stop falling! Stop jumping out of place!
Oh wait, I'm sitting down.
Okay, where are we, boss?
Flippy, get out of the car!
Why? Why are you getting you little pussy?
Okay, where are we
Gotta
at?
tell you something.
Wait a minute, who's this guy? I've never seen him. Why is he?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. We got new workers.
Oh.
New work.
Yes, got new workers.
I don't like new workers.
Stop tickling my pickle. Stop tickling my pickle. Wait, Kermit.
Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention you, but the fat guy, he was actually a traitor. Agent Ash helped me out. Can he be my actual partner now?
Ash, get over here. Ash, get over here.
This guy, Agent Ash.
I don't know what I'm doing at this point.
Damn.
I'm gonna fire you. Stop playing around.
Okay.
Kermit, Agent Kermit.
Can I have a new partner?
To drive the car.
Yeah, why?
And then Agent Ash, you're gonna sit in the back. Everyone sit in the back except for me. I'm gonna sit in the front.
Okay. Wait, why do I have to drive? Why do I have to drive?
I only have one hand. I only have one hand, okay?
What? We're stuck, so there we go. Everyone at the back? Okay, I don't care.
Guys, Ash is dead. Oh god.
Doesn't matter, let's go.
Ash is dead. It doesn't matter. Ash is back.
Drive us to our work, okay?
Okay, Is it that one back there? Is it that one?
If you guys don't stop messing around,
Is that where the mission is
going?
Is that where the mission is? Is that where the mission is?
Yes, we gotta go.
Yo, you guys, I brought my phone with me. I'm gonna play some tunes.
Hold on.
I see the door.
Hold on, just say-
I don't know how to drive. I forgot to tell you. I don't know how to drive. I forgot to tell you. I don't know how to drive. No.
Good luck with that.
There you go. So that's
Yo,
the
you guys, I
door.
brought my phone. Do you think I should play something?
What?
I brought my phone and played
There
something.
you go.
Off the car.
Are you driving with two hands or one hand?
He's jerking off with one
Bye-bye,
steering with
Flippy.
Keep going.
What? Yeah.
Shut up, Ash, or else you're gonna get fired.
This nigga got an Agent T5. How is that fair?
Gone.
What the? No longer
This is
can
how
we
bad
even
Jeff
speed
is.
together.
It's about. I don't know how to drive in second lot.
Tickle
It's
each other's
really rocky. That's why we're going slow. Damn, he's dead. Oh,
Tickle.
okay, we're here, guys, or we're coming. Don't get out. We're coming. So wait, what did these people do again? That we're taking them, we're arresting them. What did they do again?
Oh my god. You keep leaving me, you.
Okay, we're meditating. Okay,
go.
what did these people do again that they that we're arresting them for? What did they do?
They stole some robbery.
Oh, again. No, that's popular. That's a popular crime.
Oh no, which one do I shoot?
What are you doing?
Ah, we started. Oh God. Okay. Well, we're out. We made it, guys. We made it. Come on, let's go. We made it. Wait, what? They ate your partner, Agent Ash. They touched your pickle. What the fuck? What the fuck?
No, T5 tickled my pickle.
Go away. That's kind of gay. Moxie! Or, like, boss, where are you going, boss? Yeah, they dipped us here. They dipped us. They left us. What? God damn it. What the? What are you doing? Why are we driving in? We could just walk in. We could just walk in.
Wait, time.
Oh, okay.
Tickle my pickle, T5. Tickle it.
She's out.
Oh my god.
Hey bro, let me get some. I'm starving.
Yeah, dude. Let me get some too. I want some.
Do you want this cash? Do you want this cash? 1 million cash. I don't want shit from you. You have bird flu. Is that what it is?
Everyone out! Everyone out!
Okay, everyone out. God damn it. Are you, like... Boss, what the fuck?
Guys, I left Kermit!
What the fuck,
Hey,
boss?
everyone, put the freaking bat down in the.
I can see, I'm still here.
Everyone.
Actually, everyone out. Everyone
Okay,
out.
everyone out.
No one escape. Everyone escape.
Your Guzzi out.
Let's go. Okay, everyone out.
Yes, sir.
Everyone out.
Out,
Everyone
Jonas,
down.
you're fired.
What the? Everyone, get down from there. Stop flying. Stop flying. Stop flying, Agent Slippy.
Now I'm going to speed.
What? Stop it. Stop it.
I didn't do anything. What did I do? Tickling my pickle.
And that's for you, Kermit.
I'm Agent
I
Bird.
need you.
They keep tickling my pickle.
Agent Bird. Agent Bird. I need you to slap speed.
Okay. Stop, Agent Speed. Stop, Agent
Tickling
Speed.
my dick. Stop it.
Don't worry, guys. I got this.
What the fuck?
Don't you there, motherfucker. You're not gonna do nothing. I got a Guzzi on my butt. I'm gonna
Wait,
put
what?
this in front of you. Come here.
Wow, what? What did he say?
Agent Kermit. Up. Agent
Uh,
Bird.
I think we should fire Flippy.
Agent Flippy?
Flippy, I got big news for you.
Agent.
What? Fire.
God.
Wait a minute, I don't have competition anymore.
I mean, Speed, what were you doing up there?
he's
Why were you
dead.
tickling your pickle up there?
Wait a minute.
Don't worry, boss.
He's acting. Oh no! Wait! He's stripping! He's stripping us! The car! Oh!
I got this.
Yeah. I should have known that you're evil.
Y'all call
I should have known that you're evil. I should have known that. I should have known that you're evil.
Tickling each other's dick. Tickle my pickles. Tickle my pickles.
Why am I
have
next
three
to two
pickles.
white people? Why am I next to two white people?
Why do you have 3? Ash has 3 dicks.
What the fuck? What the
Touch
fuck?
my D and a gay.
Can you stop?
Oh my
pointing
God.
the gun at me?
God. How did he get you?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Tickle my tickle my pickle. You're actually evil? Whoa, what is he doing? You're actually evil? Are you actually? Okay.
Tickle my pickle. I'm gonna do whatever, Kelly.
Well, I guess this is.
Pickle, you motherfucker. Get off my lap, fucking Get off of me. Get off of me. You
This
just
is
sat
wrong.
on my lap, you gay fuck. You tried to rape me. Get off of me.
What?
Get out. Right, there you go. T5, I want you to tickle my pickle.
You're floating. Tickle my pickle. Tickle my pickle. Tickle my
pickle.
Guys, let's do the mission.
Tickle
Let's
my
do the
3
mission.
pickles.
What the fuck?
Tickle my 3 pickles. You gonna do nothing.
Ah, he's evil! Get him! Get him!
Can
He's
you
evil!
stop?
He's evil! Get him! Get him!
Take me to the.
I want somebody to tickle my 3 pickles.
Take me to the bank so I can do something to the girls.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, wait! God, no, stop! 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 This guy's evil right here. We gotta take him to prison. This guy's evil. He's evil. Nah! Sensei dipped us. Oh, God. Sensei dipped us. Don't go in the car. Don't go. Hey, Agent Flippy,
That's my
don't
booty
get out of
hole.
the car. We are 1v1. We're 1v1. Come on. Agent Flippy, come on. Show me the... God damn it. Agent Flippy, come on. We're fighting now. Come on. Throw hands. Throwing guns.
But I'm tired.
She's fucking lazy out. Hey! What? Stop! The boss is out! Where's the boss? This is... Oh my god, this is going to piss me off.
The boss is in my. He's dead.
What? It's in your... What?
Stop moving it. You know
You're
what?
evil. You're evil. We're taking you to prison. Oh!
You evil. You gotta do nothing about it, motherfucker. You gotta do nothing.
Help me, guys! Help me! Back me up! He's evil.
I will cop this inside of your
You
butt.
know what?
He's dead, and so are we.
Yeah, okay, he's knocked out now. I knocked him out. That was the easiest minute.
I'm right here, you freaking idiot. And now we're gonna die because of you, mother. Man,
Now you and me, square up. Drop down. You're me. Pussy. Yeah, he doesn't drop down. He's a fucking pussy. Wait. I'm receiving a call from the message. Agent Flippy is actually working for them? I knew it. This is an ambush. Agent Flippy's ambushing us! He's working with the villains!
No, I'm not.
I'm
coming in my
The boss told us. The boss told me.
nickname.
The boss told me. The boss told me. You're under arrest, Flippy.
I
Agent
tickled
Flippy.
somebody's pickle.
What? Damn it! Hey, Agent Flippy, come here. You and me square up now. God damn it, this guy's such a pussy. Did they really leave me? Well, I guess I just walked to my normal job. Who?